Mm. Hi, Liz. It's a surprise to see you this cinema. What are you going to see?
Oh, hello, Rodrigo. I the same thing. I am here to see the new version of it. And you?
I'm going to see it too. Also, I do very much that is close to the original.
I think opposite. I heard this version is longer than the original. In addition to the fact that its remake is the closest of the book.
Who is more popular than this version because of its well excused essence.
Hmm. Are you right about that? Uh, so let's hope it still remains is as iconic as the original. To begin directed by Stephen King, I don't see it as the problem.
They say that his words are the most terrifying, so I hope so too. Oh, I have to go buy the ticket. Bye, Luis.
Bye.